Good Friday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. Hopefully, everyone had a fantastic Thursday yesterday. I'm your host for South Carolina Weather, Justin Peterson, and let's talk about the weather for your Friday. So, looking at the radar right now, nothing going on in terms of the state of South Carolina, even if we move up here towards the upstate. The only thing that I see right now, maybe, is some shower activity just to the west of Landrum, South Carolina, but that's like right on the border. That's the only thing that I see at least. So we go check out the MRMS. You can just see scattered precipitation going on inside the southeast, rain going on inside the northeast, also inside the central U.S. as well, and then maybe even some rain over here inside of the west as well. Maybe some snow, even in some of those higher elevations as well, and some snow over here as well. I didn't even notice this, but this bottom part is rain. You have the top part up here snowing inside of North Dakota right now. Here is our cloud cover. Cloud cover right now seems to be just showing some pretty high cloud cover. Not really too much in the upstate of South Carolina right now. Everyone else might be receiving some fog. Maybe some other clouds going through the going through like the Tri-County region, Dorchester, Berkeley, Charleston County as well. I can kind of see it a bit faintly. But if you even go on to the future, again, this is just isolated cloud cover that you might see. But even as you get through the next couple hours, you go into the afternoon. And if you go through to tonight, cloud cover continues just to stay constant over the state through tonight. Here's our current temperature: 61 in Columbia, 68 in Charleston, 68 inside of Myrtle Beach, 66 inside of Georgetown, 64 in Beaufort, as well as 64 in Savannah, 57 in Augusta, 59 in Greenville and Anderson, as well as 61 in Rock Hill, and 62 Sumter and Florence. High temperatures for today: 83 in Columbia, 83 in Orangeburg, 83 in Sumter, 83 in Florence and Dillon, as well as 80 inside of Rock Hill, 79 inside Spartanburg, Greenville, Anderson, as well as 82 in Aiken, 83 in Barnwell, 80 inside of Hilton Head Island, 80 inside of Charleston and Georgetown, as well as 79 inside of Myrtle Beach. Peak sustained winds for today around 79, 7 at Lawrence, 9 at Greenville, 8 at Spartanburg, Rock Hill, and calm going inside the Midlands and the Low Country, only around 3 miles an hour, sustained, very, very calm. If you're inside the Low Country or the PD region, the Low Country PD region or the Midlands, unless you are near the coastal regions where 7, maybe 8 miles an hour is possible, and the upstate probably being the breeziest with up to 9, maybe even 10 miles per hour. Peak wind gust, again, the upstate, worth around 10 to 15 miles an hour possible. In terms of peak wind gusts, the Low Country wind gusts only up to 3 miles an hour. So again, very, very calm inside the Low Country of South Carolina today, and even in the Kingstree, South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, the coastal regions, around 10, 12 miles per hour. So wind gusts, I should say. And the Midlands just kind of in the middle, not really breezy at all. Only chance of precipitation we have is up there, and actually it's getting rain probably right now, potentially, just to the, or it's just to the west, actually, so never mind. But only rain that's possible is just to the north and west of Rock Hill, that border right there. If rain is possible, it will most likely happen right there. So we're going to go on, show the HRRR, see what it says. And here's the 11Z right here. As you push this forward, there goes the rain right there at around 3, 4 o'clock-ish. And if you go into around 5, 6, 7 o'clock p.m., showers continuing in the Low Country of South Carolina. That's all the rain that we pretty much see. I don't see really any other rain that gets going tonight. So it's just these little showers here and there. Like if you bring your umbrella, it's not really gonna be for long. These showers are small and they're not really gonna do much in terms of accumulation or anything like that. But here's the tropics. We have disturbance 1 is now has a 70% chance of forming. A tropical depression is likely to form this weekend, and or possibly early next week, while the system drifts generally north or northwestward over the central or western Caribbean Sea. Regardless of development, locally heavy rains are possible. Right now, a 30% chance of it forming during the next 48 hours, 70% chance over the next 7 days. Disturbance 2, this will merge into Disturbance 1 actually and give it some more energy. And this one up here, nothing that we're going to have to worry about. It's going to move east and it's not going to do anything. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully everyone enjoyed this forecast update. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and the share button as well, as we're trying to get to 300 subscribers by November the 5th. We need 16 more people in 5 days. So around, or 4 days and some change. But let's see if we can get there. 4 subscribers a day. I mean, it's technically not impossible, but it is possible. So let's see if we can get there. And I will be back most likely on Sunday evening with another forecast update.